Hello everyone, welcome to Community Health Methods in the Spring 2021 semester. My name is Thaddeus Ogweri Osuacha. I am currently residing in Abu Dhabi, as you can see in the picture. Those are my wife and my children, currently in Nigeria. I graduated in 2014 as a computer scientist before enrolling in the BYU Pathway program in 2019, after which I applied for an online bachelor's degree program in applied health. My hobbies include football, traveling, and reading. One of my favorite quotes is that which is from President Russell M. Nelson. He says, in quote, "Education is yours to obtain. No one else can gain it for you. Wherever you are, develop a deep desire to learn. For us as Latter-day Saints, gaining an education is not just a privilege, it is a religious responsibility. The glory of God is intelligence. Indeed, our education is for the eternities." This quote motivates and inspires me anywhere I see myself. In whatever condition I see myself, I consider it as a lesson which will help me to improve in the nearest future. And I always put my hopes in our Heavenly Father, who is always there to help us in time of need. Public health experience, as you may know, I have none for the moment, but I look forward to achieving a great career in occupational health and safety. What I hope to gain from this course is to improve my communication skills and gain more knowledge in public health that will enable me to help others to improve their health. Thank you and welcome to the program.